What if I told you that you can completely transform your body without lifting a single weight, without paying for a gym, and without moving from your spot? There are exercises so powerful and strategic that, just by holding a static position for a few seconds, they activate deep muscle fibers that traditional movements fail to reach. That is why in this video I reveal the 6 best isometric exercises you can do from the comfort of your home, in a small room, or even outdoors, without equipment and without excuses. This routine not only improves your strength, endurance, and posture, but also trains your concentration and body awareness. It is ideal for those who have little time, are starting from scratch, or simply do not enjoy conventional training. The most surprising thing is that this technique is backed by scientific studies that show how isometric training can surpass classic methods in effectiveness and lasting results. Are you ready to discover a new path to a stronger, firmer body? Then stay tuned, because what comes next could change the way you train forever. Isometric exercises are a form of strength training in which the muscle contracts without producing joint movement, that is, a static position is held for a specific period of time. This modality activates both superficial and deep muscle fibers, especially type I fibers, which, essential for postural stability and muscular endurance. Unlike dynamic exercises, which involve movement and repetitions, isometric ones generate continuous tension, which intensely and controlledly stimulates the neuromuscular system. Studies have shown that this type of contraction improves maximum strength, joint health, and bone density, key factors in preventing falls and injuries, especially in older adults. In addition, by focusing on the conscious activation of specific muscle groups, they also help correct muscle imbalances and improve body alignment. They are widely used in physical therapy and rehabilitation due to their low impact on the joints and their effectiveness in motor re-education. The best part is that they can be performed anywhere, without the need for expensive equipment, which makes them an accessible and powerful tool for anyone seeking to improve strength, body control, and overall health. Isometric Exercise 1. The plank. Isometric planks are one of the most effective and accessible exercises to strengthen the core, the group of muscles that surround and stabilize the torso, and protect the spine. Unlike traditional crunches, which can create tension in the neck or lower back if performed incorrectly, the plank simultaneously and evenly activates the abdominal muscles, obliques, transverse abdominis, erector spinae, glutes, and even the shoulders. This sustained contraction without movement not only improves the body's functional strength but also reinforces posture by training the stabilizing muscles that keep us upright throughout the day. Studies published in journals such as the Journal of Strength show that the isometric plank generates greater activation of the transverse abdominis, a deep muscle key for lumbopelvic stability, compared to dynamic abdominal exercises. In addition, practicing planks regularly can reduce the risk of lower back pain, as it teaches you to properly activate the muscles that protect the spine, especially in people who spend many hours sitting or with poor posture. However, the effectiveness of the plank depends largely on correct technical execution. A common mistake is raising the glutes too much, which shifts the effort from the core muscles to the shoulders, reducing the positive impact of the exercise. Another frequent error is letting the hips drop, which generates excessive compression in the lower back, increasing the risk of injury. To perform a proper plank, the body must form a straight line from the heels to the head, with the abdomen firmly contracted, the glutes engaged, and the shoulders aligned directly above the elbows. Breathing also plays a key role. Maintaining slow and controlled breathing while holding the position helps maintain core stability and prevents unnecessary increases in intra-abdominal pressure. In terms of results, 20 seconds of a well-done plank, with refined technique and maximum contraction, can be more effective than dozens of poorly executed crunches, which often compromise the spine and barely activate the core significantly. For beginners, it is recommended to start with 10 to 15 seconds and progressively increase, always focusing on quality over quantity. With consistent practice, this exercise will not only tone the midsection of the body but also improve balance, coordination, and the ability to perform other physical activities more safely and efficiently. Isometric Exercise 2. Glute Bridge. The glute bridge is a fundamental isometric exercise to reactivate and strengthen the posterior chain of the body, especially the gluteus maximus, hamstrings, erector spinae, and transverse abdominis. It is performed by lying on your back, with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, raising the pelvis until forming a straight line from the knees to the shoulders. This seemingly simple movement has profound effects on body biomechanics. Various studies have shown that the glute bridge significantly improves glute activation compared to traditional exercises such as squats, especially in people who have developed a pattern of muscle inactivity due to sedentary lifestyles. Spending many hours sitting weakens the glutes, shortens the hip flexors, and deactivates lumbar stabilizers, which can lead to slouched posture, chronic lower back pain, and reduced motor efficiency. By regularly practicing the glute bridge, these effects are counteracted by retraining the body to use its natural support muscles instead of overloading the lower back or quadriceps. In addition to its ability to activate the glutes and correct muscle imbalances, the glute bridge also offers high-impact neuromuscular and postural benefits. From the perspective of spinal health, keeping the pelvis in a neutral position and activating the transverse abdominis during the exercise strengthens the deep core muscles, which act like a natural belt to protect the spine. This stabilization is key to preventing injuries, improving balance, and facilitating other functional movements such as walking, climbing stairs, or lifting objects. Research published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science has highlighted that the glute bridge is especially effective for people with chronic lower back pain, as it reduces intervertebral pressure while strengthening the muscles that stabilize the lumbopelvic area. It has also been successfully used in postural rehabilitation programs and in older adults, due to its low impact on the joints and its ability to adapt to different fitness levels. When performed isometrically, holding the pelvic lift for 15 to 30 seconds, deep muscle activation is further enhanced, training endurance and body control. Isometric exercise 3. Hanging from a bar. Static bar hanging is one of the most underestimated yet most powerful isometric exercises for the human body, especially when it comes to strengthening the upper body. Although at first glance it may seem like it's just about hanging, it actually involves an integral activation of key muscles such as the forearms, lats, trapezius, deltoids, rhomboids, and even the deep core. When a person hangs from a bar and maintains that position for several seconds, they are challenging gravity with the full weight of their body, which forces the stabilizing muscles to work intensely to maintain the position. The grip, in particular, is significantly strengthened, which is vital for performance in other exercises such as pull-ups, kettlebells, or rows. Studies published in journals such as the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research have shown that grip strength is closely related to overall functional strength and that a weak grip is often correlated with accelerated aging and a greater risk of physical disability. In fact, several longitudinal analyses have suggested that grip strength can predict longevity and quality of life in older adults. Beyond muscle strengthening, bar hanging offers a crucial benefit that very few exercises achieve: spinal decompression. When we are standing or sitting, gravity constantly compresses our intervertebral discs, generating pressure on the vertebrae, especially in people with poor posture or a history of lower back pain. When hanging in a controlled manner, a passive elongation of the spine occurs, which helps increase the space between the vertebrae, improve circulation in the discs, and relieve accumulated tension in the lumbar and cervical area. This technique has been used in physical therapy and rehabilitation programs for people with herniated discs or sciatica, as it promotes postural rebalancing and reduces symptoms of nerve compression. In addition, during static hanging, the core muscles activate to stabilize the pelvis and avoid excessive swinging, which also contributes to strengthening the deep abdominal and lumbopelvic muscles. For those looking to advance in their training, the dead hang is the ideal prelude to more complex pulling exercises such as pull-ups, climbing, or muscle-ups. Even in older adults or beginners, it can be adapted using assistance bands or partial hangs. Just 15 to 30 sustained seconds, with good technique and controlled breathing, are enough to deeply activate the body and obtain remarkable results in a short time. Isometric exercise 4. Wall sit. The wall sit is an isometric exercise that consists of maintaining a squat position with the back firmly supported against a wall, the knees bent at a 90-degree angle, and the thighs parallel to the floor, as if we were sitting on an imaginary chair. This posture, although seemingly static and simple, generates intense activation of the lower body muscles, quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core muscles. From a physiological point of view, maintaining this sustained contraction for 30 to 60 seconds, or more, at advanced levels, increases local muscular endurance, that is, the muscle's ability to withstand prolonged loads without fatigue. Exercise biomechanics studies have shown that the isometric squat activates more than 70% of quadriceps muscle fibers, especially the vastus medialis and rectus femoris, which are key for everyday functions such as walking, standing up, climbing stairs, and getting up from a chair. In addition, by involving the abdomen to maintain an upright and stable posture, it also strengthens the core, improving spinal alignment and reducing the risk of lower back injuries. From a clinical and functional perspective, the wall sit is highly recommended for older adults, people with joint pain, or those seeking low-impact exercises that protect the knees and back. Unlike traditional dynamic squats, this exercise eliminates the risk of abrupt movements or imbalance, making it safer and more accessible for different populations. Furthermore, research in sports science has shown that isometric exercises such as the wall sit can help reduce blood pressure when practiced regularly, by improving vascular tone and the heart's ability to handle physical stress. This additional cardiovascular benefit makes the wall sit a powerful tool not only for the musculature but also for overall health. Likewise, by requiring mental control and conscious breathing to maintain the position for several seconds or minutes, it becomes an exercise in physical and mental resilience, ideal for training both muscle strength and tolerance to effort. Practiced regularly, 3 to 5 times per week, it can offer significant improvements in functional strength, balance, and mobility, which directly translates into greater independence in daily life, especially in older adults or people undergoing rehabilitation. Isometric exercise 5. Isometric push-up. The isometric push-up is an advanced variation of traditional push-ups, but instead of performing the full movement, the body is held in an intermediate position, with the elbows bent at 90 degrees, the arms active, and the chest suspended just above the floor. This position generates constant muscular contraction that intensely stimulates the chest, major and minor pectorals, the deltoids, especially the anterior part of the shoulder, and the triceps brachii. In addition, by requiring perfect alignment of the body from heels to head, the abdominal core, spinal erectors, glutes, and even the stabilizing muscles of the neck are deeply activated. This global activation makes the isometric push-up a full-body exercise, which simultaneously improves strength, stability, and muscular endurance. On a physiological level, by maintaining the contraction for a sustained period, for example, between 15 and 60 seconds, neuromuscular adaptations are generated similar to those obtained with dynamic resistance exercises, but with less impact on the joints, which makes it a safe and effective option for both young people and older adults seeking an alternative without bouncing or repetitive movements. From a scientific perspective, various studies have shown that isometric exercises like this push-up variation not only improve maximum strength but also increase localized muscular endurance, neuromuscular efficiency, and the ability to generate tension under control. A study published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that sustained isometric contraction causes a significant increase in the activation of muscular motor units, particularly in type I and type IIA fibers, which are responsible for both endurance and explosive strength. This type of exercise also produces greater joint stability in the shoulder and elbow, thanks to the strengthening of the muscles without excessive dynamic stress. For those seeking to tone without gaining volume, the isometric push-up is ideal, as it allows for muscle definition without excessive hypertrophy, being especially useful in functional routines, home workouts, or rehabilitation. In addition, by maintaining an effort posture for several seconds, the cardiovascular system responds by increasing local blood flow, which improves muscle oxygenation and promotes better vascularization. From a mental point of view, this posture demands concentration, conscious breathing, and body control, which makes it a powerful tool not only physically but also psychologically, training the mind to sustain effort, tolerate discomfort, and improve body self-perception. Isometric exercise 6. Superman. The exercise known as Superman, named after the posture that simulates flying like the famous superhero, is one of the most effective and accessible ways to strengthen the posterior chain of the body, especially in the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. It consists of lying face down, in prone position, extending arms and legs, and then raising them simultaneously off the floor for a few seconds, strongly contracting the lower back and glute muscles. Although it seems like a simple movement, it activates isometrically a large number of deep muscle fibers, especially the spinal erectors, which run along the entire spine and are essential for maintaining an upright posture and preventing chronic back pain. This activation also reaches the gluteus maximus, pelvic stabilizer muscles, and the posterior thigh muscles, creating synergy that improves body alignment, corrects postural imbalances, and reinforces lumbar stability. From a physiological and clinical point of view, the Superman exercise is particularly useful to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sedentary behavior, such as shortening of the hip flexors and gluteal inhibition, both very common phenomena in people who spend many hours sitting in front of a computer or watching television. Studies published in journals such as the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy have shown that strengthening the extensor musculature of the back can significantly reduce the risk of suffering from low back pain, one of the most frequent causes of disability in older adults and sedentary workers. In addition, since it does not require any equipment and only uses body weight, the Superman is accessible and safe for people of all ages, including older adults who want to improve their postural health and prevent falls. When performed correctly and holding the contraction for 15 to 30 seconds, repeated 3 to 5 times, this exercise also improves localized muscular endurance and proprioception, that is, the body's ability to perceive its position in space. This last aspect is crucial for balance and coordination, especially in older populations. Furthermore, by simultaneously involving both the upper and lower body in a single sustained contraction, the Superman trains the musculature functionally, which translates into practical benefits such as getting out of bed with ease, maintaining posture while walking, or lifting objects without risk of injury. In this way, in addition to improving muscle strength and postural stability, isometric exercises offer additional benefits that are often underestimated, but which are fundamental for overall health, especially in older adults or people undergoing rehabilitation. One of the most notable aspects is their impact on blood pressure. Recent research, such as that published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, has revealed that isometric training, such as holding a plank or a static quadriceps contraction, can significantly reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive individuals, even more than traditional aerobic exercise. This effect is due to the improvement in endothelial function and the vascular system's ability to adapt to stress, which promotes better circulation without overloading the heart. On the other hand, isometric training also strengthens the mind-muscle connection, a crucial aspect that improves body awareness, posture, and movement efficiency. This connection translates into greater voluntary activation of muscle fibers, something especially valuable when seeking to maintain functional strength with minimal risk of injury. From a metabolic point of view, although calorie expenditure during an isometric session is lower compared to cardiovascular training, its cumulative effect at the mitochondrial level and on insulin sensitivity contributes positively to blood sugar control, being useful for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. In addition, its low impact makes it an ideal tool to preserve muscle mass without compromising the joints, something essential in aging populations or those with osteoarthritis. Finally, this type of exercise has an important psychological component. It improves tolerance to effort, fosters discipline, and offers an immediate sense of achievement, since holding a challenging posture requires concentration and emotional control. Thus, the value of isometric exercises goes far beyond the physical. It is a complete practice that trains body, mind, and cardiovascular system in a harmonious and sustainable way. And there you have it, 6 isometric exercises that will help you transform your body without machines, without weights, and without excuses. If this video has been of great help to you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell if you want to be the first to change your body. Share this video with someone who needs an effective and safe routine, and let us know in the comments which of the isometric exercises you found most challenging. Remember, no matter your age or your current physical condition, you can always start from where you are. Your body and your health will thank you. Your body and your health will thank you.